Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best bath bubbles is probably one of the most luxurious and relaxing experiences you can treat yourself to. Imagine sinking into a tub filled with fragrant, colorful bubbles, melting away the stress of the day. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect bath bubbles? In this video, we'll dive into the world of bath bubbles, exploring different types, scents, and ingredients to help you find your ideal escape. Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. These bath bombs are handcrafted with care. They are designed to make your bath time a truly relaxing and enjoyable experience. Each bath bomb is made in the USA with premium natural ingredients. It fizzes with vibrant colors, but won't stain your tub. Formulated with shea and cocoa butter, this product is perfect for moisturizing normal to dry skin. It will leave your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. This set is an ideal gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present for her, him, or anyone who loves a relaxing spa experience. Developed by a bath bomb company with passion, each bomb is individually wrapped. This set is a perfect gift idea for party favors and weddings. What we like. These bath bombs are handmade in the USA, ensuring quality and freshness. They are also infused with shea and cocoa butter, providing deep moisturization for your skin. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for someone special or simply want to treat yourself to a luxurious bath experience, it's a great choice. What people say. Each bath bomb has its own distinct and lovely smell, color, and inclusions. Leaves bath water silky and skin smooth. So far the best bath bombs I've found on Amazon. The bath bombs are each carefully wrapped in tissue paper and labeled, then placed in a bed of compostable paper. It may not have been the most dazzling packaging, but it was 99% eco-friendly and effective. Not a single one arrived broken. Number 4. Body Restore Lavender Shower Steamers 15-pack. These lavender shower steamers dissolve in your bathtub, releasing potent aromatherapy essential oils. They help you immerse yourself in deep relaxation. Lasting longer than standard shower tablets, this set is ideal for those who want to feel rejuvenated the natural way. It provides a luxurious spa experience. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little relaxation. Convenient and compact, they are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. These travel-sized toiletries transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience. Spoil your loved ones with this gift on any occasion. It's the ultimate choice for spa gifts, stress relief, and relaxation. What we like. These shower steamers offer a relaxing lavender aromatherapy experience. They are designed to melt away stress and fatigue, transforming your shower into a spa-like retreat. If you are looking for a convenient way to unwind after a long day or need a travel-friendly option for relaxation on the go, this is perfect for you. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. Number 3. TruKid Bubble Podz Bubble Bath for Kids. Transform bath time into a joyful experience with this easy-to-use bubble bath. Just one pod creates lasting bubbles, making every wash a fun moment for your kids. This hypoallergenic bubble bath is accepted by the NEA, perfect for little ones with sensitive skin or eczema. It's made with plant-based, non-toxic ingredients, free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. Experience the convenience of single-use pods that dissolve quickly under running water. This creates a rich lather of bubbles without any spills, offering a cleaner and smarter way to enjoy bath time while reducing plastic waste. Crafted in the USA with only 6 clean ingredients, this natural bubble bath is safe for daily use. The fragrance-free, tear-free formula is gentle on your child's skin and kind to the environment. For nearly 20 years, TruKid has been a trusted brand for kids' bubble bath and skincare. This product is crafted by parents who care, ensuring the best for your toddlers, babies, and big kids. What we like. This bubble bath is specially formulated for sensitive skin, making bath time a joyful experience for kids. The single-use pods are easy to use and dissolve quickly, reducing mess and waste. If you have a child with sensitive skin or are looking for an eco-friendly bubble bath option, this is a great choice. What people say. The bath bubbles create a lot of bubbles. The scent is very nice and relaxing. The product is moisturizing. Number 2. Lovery Vanilla Coconut Spa Gift Basket. Looking for the perfect gift? This spa gift basket has everything a woman could want. It's ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. Imagine the soothing scent of vanilla. This fragrance will relax and invigorate your body and spirit. The rich aroma is simply irresistible. Coconut oil has amazing benefits for your skin. Combined with vanilla, it creates a delightful aroma. It will revitalize and rejuvenate your skin. Every product is paraben and cruelty-free, made with shea butter and vitamin E. These are safe, even for sensitive skin. You're sure to love it. This is the perfect present for any woman. Pamper the special lady in your life with this elegant gift. It's great for any holiday or special day. What we like. This gift basket features a delightful vanilla coconut scent, creating a luxurious and relaxing atmosphere. It includes a complete spa set with various products, perfect for a pampering experience. If you are looking for a comprehensive and elegant gift for a loved one, it's a perfect choice. What people say. This set is absolutely gorgeous and smells amazing. The vanilla coconut scent is so relaxing, sweet, warm, and tropical without being overpowering. Everything comes beautifully packaged, perfect for gifting or treating yourself. The bath bombs fizz nicely, the lotion leaves my skin soft, and the basket is reusable too. The baskets are beautifully displayed, the colors are attractive, the selections within the basket are just right, and items a woman finds useful, and a person can't go wrong with vanilla. It came beautifully packaged and looked even better in person than in the pictures. The vanilla coconut scent is heavenly, not too strong, just the perfect relaxing aroma. The bath bombs are extra large and make the bath feel super soothing, and the lotion leaves my skin soft and moisturized without feeling greasy. Everything in the set feels high quality, from the body wash to the coconut oil. Number 1. Deep Steep Lavender Chamomile Bubble Bath 17 ounces. This bubble bath is masterfully infused with shea butter. It helps soothe your skin from irritants and improve elasticity. Enriched with coconut and argan oil, this product helps your skin feel irresistibly soft and supple. You'll love how it feels after every soak. Fortified with essential oils, this bath helps melt away stress and promote relaxation. It leaves you feeling renewed and refreshed. Formulated without harsh ingredients, this bubble bath provides a luxurious experience. It's perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. This product is cruelty-free, and free of parabens, phthalates, gluten, and SLS. You can feel good about using it every time. What we like. This bubble bath provides a soothing and hydrating experience with shea butter and argan oil. It also offers aromatherapy benefits to help you relax and unwind. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a sulfate-free option that promotes relaxation, you should consider it. What people say. The bath bubbles create a lot of bubbles. The scent is very pleasant and relaxing. The product is moisturizing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.